So what's up community, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous and enormous type of the video. So as today video is about the mining unicorn, the platform that is going to another level changing in the crypto space of the mining. So as we are going to explore everything about this project, you just need to watch the video till end for the better experience, and you have to watch and like, share and subscribe my channel. And after subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon, then you will get an access of all my videos notification. And request to all guys, please watch the video till end. So first of all guys, here's our platform, the AI powered web3 ecosystem for the crypto mining, DeFi and the real world application. Mining unicorn is an AI driven ecosystem that seamlessly combining crypto mining, DeFi and real world SaaS integration, enhanced by gamification, AI analytics, and a cross-chain interoperability. Their services are designed to deliver dynamic experience and the maximum earning for both and Web3 enthusiasts, everyday users. This is a scalable AI-driven Web3. So, guys, here they are giving every top information why they are its scalable AI-driven Web3 ecosystem, bringing Web3 innovation with a real-world utility. Let's check out. This is the other top information. Mining unicorn is built on the foundation AI-driven automation, decentralized finance, and real-world financial integration and everything. You have to read out everything. And here's a level one blockchain. AI optimized blockchain infrastructure supporting IAs, smart contracts, and the dApps. Number one is DeFi and the payments here. And then at the number second is AI and the big data. And number third is SaaS tokenization. This is the three main things in the layer one blockchain. You have to find out this is the next gen AI empowered crypto mining model. Smart, interactive, and incredibly rewarding is waiting for you. Mining unicorn is defined digital assets mining by combining AI-driven automation, gamification, and the DeFi powered rewards. No hardware, no technical barriers, just effortless earning through the interactive and scalable ecosystem. Here's a reboot button. You can also reboot your miners. I will also show you how you can do the mining, a smarter and more rewarding way to mine. Number one is seamless interactive mining experience. Number second is AI-driven optimization for the efficiency and performance. And number third is layer one ecosystem with the RWA integration. Mining a community of the 500k plus users is waiting for you. You can also join them here now. A multi-tier scalable virtual miners designed for the progressive earning and ungradable for long-term growth. And there are Nitro miner, Titan miners, and everything is in front of you. This is the Titan miner and Nitro miner. These are two things for you. You have to watch out. Mining unicorn is here to change your fate here. The core bridge between DeFi and the real world finance is waiting for you. The seamless DeFi hub for the on-chain growth and everyday spending is here. Card payments, Web3 integration, multi-asset support, P2P exchange, staking liquidity pools, and yield optimization is here. If you don't need to work hard, this is play hard and here. And it's game mode, winning stake, mining boost, and everything. Unicorn delivers a fun, engaging, and reward experience by seamlessly integrating interactive mechanics that transfer crypto mining into a dynamic GameFi ecosystem. Our GameFi help features diverse the format like NFT collectibles, mystery boxes, gotcha mechanics, and play to mine systems here. And here is a smarter self-optimized AI ecosystem for Web3 and beyond. They are also using the AI in their platform. This is also an insane thing here. A tokenomics built to last here, and here's everything. Ecosystem mining, tokenomics, everything will be shown up here in front of you. So guys, that was the website. Website has been done amazing, guys. This shows that they have a lot of things to do, but we are going to check out the pitch deck. This is also on that cryptocurrency mining market is going to increase investment here and high barriers to entry, engagement challenges, scalability and centralization issues, economic volatility. There are a lot of things you can find here. Any project is their roadmap. I'm gonna show you that what they're gonna do in the future here. There in 2024, there's initial launch and user acquisition that has been done, and here's in 2025, which is they are showing the expansion and feature development and their growth and engagement. There are also a lot of things here, and in 2026 they're gonna DeFi and ecosystem expansion, and in 2026 again they have advanced feature and long-term growth. You have to follow them everything, and 2027 2028 they have a roadmap till 2030. This is an insane thing that this is not a short-term project. This is a long-term project. Mining uniform is here waiting for you. So guys, if you want to stay updated on a daily basis, then you have to follow them on their Twitter. Mining Unicorn lets you your virtual miners and earn passive income. Mine and watch your rewards grow effortlessly here. There are every type of information are in front of you. You have to watch out this thing here, and you have to follow them. The minimal change of the website will be shown up here. The rewards and everything will be also informed. That you just need to go and check out their announcement on the Twitter here. I will also give a link to join. You have to follow them. This amazing type. They have 36.9k followers. That insane community on the Twitter. So guys, mining announcement is here. How you can be announced on here. There you have to follow them. You will get daily updates from them here. Check out all our things are here. The announcement will be shown up here. They have 63k members on their this Telegram channel, and you can get updated by every minute. They will give all type of information about their project there. You just need to go and join them here. You can follow them, and you have to check out. Then you can also become a family member of this token here. So guys, now we are going to check out the mining port of our platform. You have to follow them here. Here's the app launching system. We're gonna launch the app. Welcome preparing the miners. Mining Unicorn is here. Here's guys, you can also find out Mining Unicorn is here in front of you guys. Just check out this thing here. And I have joined this platform, Nitro Miners. Every build miner increase limit here. And guys, here is for transfer, which is coming soon, and request P2P, everything is coming soon. You have to find out their social media platform. I will also give the link in the description about them. And here's guys Q. How you can earn the passive income from this platform. Here's guys, when anybody join this platform through your link, you can get the amazing type of income from them. This is known as the passive way to generate income. And here's the invite option guys, how our link has been copied. When anybody join this, I will also get the commission from them. And here's the commission, how much you can earn the commission. And the leaderboard is also here, how many people are earning from this platform. They're also showing this thing here. So guys, here the miners guys, how you can buy the miners on this platform. Here it has been started on this platform, and Nitro Miners are also here, and they're also giving a lot of things here. You have to check out this thing, and here's the other things guys. And Titan Miner, here you can unlock their Titan Miners, upgrade to level 1, and then you can buy the Titan Miners here. And here's the wallet option guys. Your wallet, your balance, everything will be shown up here. You have to check out, and their transaction will be also shown up here in front of you, and USDT every top of the here. And guys, that was our boat here. You have to join them here, and you have to start your new limit with them here. And if you want to buy Nitro Miner, you have to enter the amount here and then apply here for buying. You can also buy this successfully. So that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. We will see you in the next video. Have a